Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video lesson, we are gonna talk about a short conversation in the English language. Let's get started with the tutorial. Let's have a look at our first scenario, asking the way. Listen to the conversation. Example 1. Excuse me, can you tell me where South Street is, please? Take the second on the right and then ask again. Is it far? No, it's only about 5 minutes walks. Many thanks. Not at all. Example 2. Excuse me please, could you tell me the way to the airport? Turn around and turn right at the traffic lights. Will it take me long to get there? No, it's no distance at all. Thank you. That's okay. Example 3. Excuse me, but I'm trying to find the town hall. Take the second on the right and go straight on. Should I take a bus? No, you can walk it in under 10 minutes. Thank you very much indeed. That's quite alright. Next scenario. Booking airline tickets. First, I want to fly to Goa on or about the 1st. I'll just see what there is. I want to go economy and I'd prefer the evening. Air India flights LH 203 leaves at 06:20. What time do I have to be there? The coach leaves for the airport at 04:45. Second, I'd like to book a flight to India for Tuesday, the 11th. I have a look at the timetable for you. I'll need a business class open return. MLM has got a DC-8 leaving at 07:30. What else do I have to know? The latest time of reporting is 06:20 at the airport. Next scenario. At lunch. Conversation. First, you must have some more meat. No thanks, I'm supposed to be slimming. Can't I tempt you? Well, maybe I could manage a very small piece. Wouldn't you like to finish up the bread? No, really, thank you. I just eat any more. Come on now, surely you can manage it. No, thank you. Have put on pounds as it is. Third, another piece of bread? No, thanks on diet. Please, do you hardly eaten anything? It's delicious, but I don't think I ought to. Next scenario. Finding a room. Conversation. First, I believe you are giving room to bachelor students. Yes, if you don't mind sharing. How much is it? 5,000 rupees per month included all bills. Do you mind if I could have a look at it, please? We are having it decorated at the moment. Will Saturday do? Second, I have told have you might have a vacant room. Yes, I've got a spare single. What are your terms? 5,000 rupees for bed and breakfast, excluding lunch and dinner both. Could I have a look at the room, please? It's a bit awkward just now. Could you come in the evening? Third, a friend told me I might find some accommodation here. Yes, I'll have a room free after the week. What's the price of the room? 10,000 per month excluding food. Do you mind if I come in? Come in by all means, but it's in a terrible mess. Next scenario. Meeting people after a long time. Conversation. First, we haven't seen you for ages. How have you been? No, I've been hiking for a month. Where was that? Uttarakhand. I got back day before yesterday. Second, how nice to see you again. Where have you been? Home. No, I've been visiting relatives. Whereabouts? I went to Delhi to see an aunt of mine. Third, come in and sit down. We haven't seen much of you lately. No, I've been away on vacation. Where exactly? Goa. I've got a cousin there. Next scenario. Introduction and opening conversation gambit. Conversations. First, Samir, I like you to meet my sister Ankita. How do you do? How do you do? What do you think of life in Delhi? I'm still feeling pretty homesick. It's bound to be strange at first. Second, Mr. Rahul, this is Aniket Gupta. How do you do? How do you do? How do you find things over here? It wasn't for the climate, I like it very much. It won't take you long to settle down. Third, Mother, this is Rahul's brother Samir. How are you? I am fine. What's about you? I am good. How do you like Delhi? It's quite different from what I expected. Don't worry, you will soon get used to it. So, that's all about today's video. I hope you like it. If you want to such more tutorials, then stay tuned to our channel. Thanks for watching.